Hey everyone, got a question for you. Have you ever tried to crochet backwards? I'm like, why would you? Well, anyways, there's a stitch out there called the crab stitch where you start from the left if you are right-handed and work backwards, which is very awkward. So I wanted to show you today how you can do a stitch that looks exactly the same, but yet you're working in your normal direction. So this is just a little sample that I made up playing around, trying to just do whatever, just playing around. So to start off, you put your hook through from the front to the back and pull your loop through like that. Then you will reach into the next stitch, pull your yarn through. This is where the fun begins. Twist counterclockwise, yarn over, and pull your yarn through. That's your first stitch. First one's usually a little bit tougher than the rest of them. So you put your hook through the two loops, both sides of the V-stitch there. Pull your yarn through, keep it a little loose, counterclockwise, yarn over, pull your yarn through. Go through the stitch, counterclockwise, grab your yarn, pull it through. Through the stitch, counterclockwise, grab your yarn, pull it through. Through the stitch, counterclockwise, grab your yarn, and pull it through. You got to keep it loose, otherwise it gets a little tough to pull it through the two loops because of the twist. So through the stitch, pull your yarn through, counterclockwise, grab your yarn, and pull it through. Okay, and that's what it looks like, just like the crab stitch. This is the front side. That is the back. And this is how the top of the edge looks. It makes your project look very completed. Yeah, this is normal edging that is wrapped with the twisted single crochet, and it looks just like the crab stitch. Easy peasy. And once you get a rhythm going, it goes super, super fast. All right, guys and gals, that is all I have for you today. And if you click on that box in that corner over there, it will take you to some more really great videos from Knotting Hook Crochet. Thanks so much.